Hello and welcome to day 7 of December Doodles with Catherine. Today we're going to be drawing holly. Here we go. We'll start by lightly drawing 3 little circles, all overlapping. Now we're going to rub out the extra lines inside the lowest berry. This makes it look like it's at the front. If you have any more overlapping bits like this, rub that bit out too. Ta-da! Now we need to add the leaves. Let's start with a diagonal line leading away from the berries, and another line pointing in another direction. Now we're going to draw lots of smiles. Very carefully, just above one of your lines, keeping away from the ends, draw a smile. Now we're going to do the same on the other side of the line, kind of like a reflection, but it doesn't need to be exact. Try turning your paper around a bit if you're finding it tricky. You can twist your paper around as many times as you like while you're drawing. I'm going to keep my paper still now though, so it's easier to see where the new smiles are going. So this is where we're up to. Let's do the same for the other leaf line. Now we're going to draw an upside down smile from this point here to our berries. Another smile here. And here. And here. Now we're going to draw the pointy tips of our holly leaves. Don't worry if your leaf line is a bit too long. You can either rub out the end or draw some more smiles and have extra spikes on your leaf. Let's finish off. Ta-da! You can draw Christmas holly. I hope you've enjoyed creating those. Keep your pictures safe so you can come back to them later on in December Doodles. Bye for now.